Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to announce that our overlay supports all devices, PC and mobile, including Windows, macOS, Android and even iOS. Today I'm going to show you some amazing new features in overlay version 1.1, and at the end of the video I'll reveal how to create those awesome glitched forms you just saw. So stick around until the end. If you enjoy this overlay, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button to show your support. Your comments also help me grow on YouTube. No matter how basic or complex your question is, I'm always happy to help any user, regardless of skill level, for free. Before we dive into the detailed tutorial, let me show you some of the incredible new features in overlay version 1.1 and how your account will look like when you use them. This will give you an idea of the powerful customization options and the ultimate gaming experience you will have. With everything unlocked and maxed out, your starters will be ready to dominate right from the start. You can adjust most stats such as IVs and candies using numeric input with optimal minimum and maximum values to keep the game stable. You can also set the stats beyond what's normally possible in the game, making your Pokémons insanely strong and adding a fun twist to your gameplay. As you can see, setting the IVs to the maximum value allowed by the overlay, your Pokémons will become absurdly strong, making the game super easy. You'll always be first, have extremely high health and watch out everything with your defense maxed out. You can also unlock all achievements or vouchers on a selected date using a date picker and change the number of vouchers, X and pity unlocks with a simple number input. Later I'll add more features and make all 71 glitched forms unlockable with a single button. But for now, you'll have to use the scripts I'll show you how to use in a moment. Before we continue, I need to give a quick disclaimer. You should only use this tool on test accounts. They are meant to show you what's possible in the game, not to hack legitimate accounts. Using these tools will likely flag your account and prevent you from participating in leaderboards or multiplayer. I will not attempt to circumvent the security features implemented by the game developers. Circumventing these flags could allow cheaters to dominate the leaderboards, demotivating legitimate players and hurt the game's community. Before we dive into today's content, I just wanted to take a moment to thank each and every one of you. We've gone from 0 to 66 subscribers in just a few weeks, and it's all thanks to your amazing support. Let's keep the momentum going. Here are some recent analytics showing our fantastic progress. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Your support means the world to me and keeps me motivated to bring you even better content. Alright, let's go into the main part of the video. Today I'm excited to introduce overlay version 1.1, which is packed with new features that will make your gaming experience even better. One of the coolest updates is the ability to unlock all starters with everything maxed out to 100%. No more manual upgrades or unlocks. It's all done for you. When you unlock the starters, you can now change most values like IVs, candies and more using a number input with optimal minimum and maximum values to keep the game stable. But here's the fun part. You can set values beyond what is normally achievable in the game. For example, you can set all Pokémon IVs to 69, even though the maximum in the game is 31. This creates a funny visual bug and makes your Pokémons insanely strong. Just set any number to the end of the current IV number, and you'll quickly reach the maximum I set. This makes your Pokémon absurdly strong with insane stats and turns the game into super easy mode. You will always be first, you have extreme high health, you will be able to one-shot everything with your defense maxed out, and that goes for any other Pokémon IV stats that aren't mentioned. The overlay also allows you to unlock all achievements or vouchers on a selected date using a date picker. You can also change the number of coupons, X and pity unlocks with a number input and set them with the play button behind. The egg pity is an internal value that gives you a new starter unlock every 10th egg or something like that. I have not spent much time on it trying to understand the logic. For the unlock pity, I have no clue what it's meant for yet. If you know it, you can let me know in the comments to contribute to the project. But you can still play around with these values to see what they might do, even if you don't know what they do exactly. Now, as promised, let's get into how to create those cool glitched forms. Follow along and I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, go to my GitHub repository. You will find a folder with 71 glitched forms inside the project. Let me show you where it is. Here it is. This folder contains all the scripts for the glitched forms. Let's open a script for a form we haven't shown yet. Here you can see the copy script button. Click it to copy the script. Now that we have the script copied, let's move over to the game. In the game, press F12 to open the developer tools. It usually opens in the HTML tab by default, so you'll need to find the console tab. Click the console tab. Once you're there, click next to the arrow symbol until you see the text cursor. Now paste the copied script by pressing Ctrl and V and then pressing Enter. This will apply the glitched forms for your Pokémon. To view the newly selected glitched form, move your pointer in-game away from the Pokémon and then back onto it. You can play with all the glitched forms without any problems like crashing the game. Let's show you how smooth it runs. As you can see, the game runs perfectly fine with these forms. Now let's go back to the starter selection. The glitched forms will save, but currently only when you manually save the session. I'm working on implementing automatic savings for the current selection, but it's not available yet because I wanted to focus on more important features first. If you paste the script again, it will unlock all forms including those not released yet. Remember that Pokémons with multiple glitched forms can only be set and played in one form at a time. Changing to another glitched form will override the previous one. And that's it. With this tutorial, you can unlock and play with all 71 glitched forms. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to me, and I'm always here to help with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching and happy glitching. My goal is to support all devices and operating systems, so if it doesn't work for you, let me know in the YouTube comments, DM me on Discord, or contact me on my server. I'll do my best to make it work for you. Also, stay tuned for the next video today, where I'll show you how to install my overlay as a plugin in Chrome, Firefox or Kiwi, Android only. For iOS users, you can find a solution on my Discord server, as I don't have any iPhone to test at the moment.